Sky, let's not go to Vegas. Let's just stay here. We were supposed to meet the guys for the rally to Vegas. Yes, we're going to Vegas again. We're supposed to be there at 6:30 this morning. So now we have to figure out how to fit all the camera bags and our luggage into the Aventador. Because normally when you go on rallies, they have a luggage vehicle. Well, we missed it this morning. So this is exotic car rally lifestyle, where you try to fit 20 pounds of crap in a 5-pound bucket. They're not scratching up my carbon fiber suitcase. All right, this is looking okay. This is looking okay, because then we can put another bag right here. We have to be extremely careful with this bag. Has a laptop. This is where all the magic happens. It's very nice. Nice and gently right in here, Sky, because we don't want to, we don't want to damage anything. That looks like it's not going to shut, Sky. Is there anything important on top?
Yeah.
There is.
A screen.
Yeah, that's not working, Sky. Are we videoing this? That's not working. Okay. We put your duffel bag in here, and then maybe this bag goes in with us. I love how Sky brought dress shoes to go to the pool party. This in here, like this. And smush it down. Now look at that, fits perfect. All right, Sky, you're gonna like the look. I'm not pressing anything, Sky. Is that Sky approved?
That's good.
Okay, let's do this. Boom! How are you, sir?
I don't care if you film, just do me a favor, step back a little bit.
Yes, sir, no problem.
Jesus Christ, they're raiding that place.
Unfortunately, one of our friends got pulled over. It happens on these rallies. So maybe we all got to take a collection and help out. But you know what? These guys have been really cool, really nice. So, I mean, what can you do, We're an easy target. We stand out just a little bit. Who put that on my car? You're a dick. Hey, who put this sticker on my car? They're getting punched in the dick real quick. Who put this sticker on my car? All right, guys, we're here at the Aria. Haven't stayed at the Aria before, always stayed at the MGM, but I've heard great things. We're excited, we're gonna see how it is. We'll let you know. We'll scale it from 1 to 10. Car took a beating coming in, it's gonna need a detail, but we had a lot of fun coming to town. Oh, we have our own doorbell. I don't think anybody's home yet. Here we go, you're the first in, Sky? No, the Straight Up Driven crew, our viewers are the first into the Sky Suites.
got a little rested, got our energy back. Now we're gonna go hit the strip, make some noise, shoot some flames on the strip in the car. Hopefully she's well rested. Look at this. Who do we ask, Scott? Oh wait, we were just here a week ago.
Mark said it's kind of quiet.
Did you get a little flame? I think you're a little louder. You're a little louder. Music to our ears, music. Holy shit, my car just turned Hi, Manu. Your rally is incredible. We're having a lot of fun. About to have dinner at a really nice restaurant that Manu on NURALLY set up, and I've never been here before, but it has great reviews, and normally it's only the best with Manu, so we're gonna eat good, I'm pretty sure. I've never ate at a bad spot with him, that's for sure.
Is that right?
What's up, brother?
This guy is too much.
Did you get some good flames?
Hey.
All right, I want that. I don't want to hear no bullshit about that.
And I'll bring the video of where your car just shut down in the middle of the street.
Bro, it almost didn't start again. All right, guys, we're here, Manu's pool party. Let's see what's going on. Get over here. So, what are we doing? What's going on here?
Pool party.
Pool party, but not everybody goes to a pool party in a party bus. It's like, you know, NURALLY special right here, or?
No, it's not really special. Don't feel me. I didn't.
Hey, right here, this guy right here, he's wanted by the FBI. So they confiscated the straight-up driven cameras. They said we need future permission to bring the cameras in, but that's not going to stop us.
They said, you big Tony, can't be bringing this camera in here.
No, but they're not going to stop us, bro. We're going to find a way around them next time, Kevin. How we do it?
We drone that shit in.
You know what? We get the drone, we'll bring it in. Let's do it, Sky.
That's a good idea.
That's good thinking, Kevin. That's why I'm friends with Kevin. I love you too. Great guy. They're already a sponsor, but we're real estate. You need real estate? See these guys right here. All right, guys. Thank you for watching Straight Up Driven on NURALLY's event. We're getting ready to head home. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a message. Let us know what you want to see, what you like, what you don't, so we can get better for our viewers. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys on the next one.